In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on your Honda Pilot. This is located behind the glove box, under the dash. Let's get started. We're going to open the glove box and pinch in on either side to lower it. Behind the glove box, we find this door. On either side, there's a little push tab. We're just going to push in on either side, and we'll pull out the cabin filter tray. We can remove the cabin filter. You want to be careful not to drop any of the debris that may be in the cabin filter in the car. We have two arrows on the cabin air filter indicating airflow. You want to match that up with our airflow indicator on the bracket. With the cabin air filter back in our tray, you can slide that in and make sure you hear it click in. If you don't hear the clicks, make sure it's fully seated. With the cabin filter installed, we can close up our glove box and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.